Hello there, recruiting and sourcing friends. This is Maisha, aka Talent Genie, and I'm coming to you with a quick tip and tool combo. So, the tip is from the millionaire recruiter Brianna Rooney, and she shared a really great hack where you can go into your LinkedIn, find people with a certain title in your first degree network, and then immediately share that URL with someone. And when you share that URL, that search is done automatically on your recipient's end. So the use case for this is you're a recruiter and you're working on a CPA role with your hiring manager. You want the hiring manager to tell you who are the people in your network who are CPAs who you would recommend for this role, whether they're actively looking or whether it's a profile I can look at as I start to recruit and source. So this is a use case of how you can maximize LinkedIn, a quick filter search, and get your hiring managers involved. Now, to make it even more impactful, I'm coupling this with a tool called Scribe How. Have you heard of Scribe How before? If you have, type yes below. If you haven't, keep watching. So, Scribe How is going to give you documentation. It's a step by step capture of whatever you're doing on the screen, and it's great for training others. Okay. So, I'm going to record the scribe of me doing this hack that I learned from Brianna. And then at the end of this video, you're going to have not only a new tip and trick to use with your hiring partners, but you'll also have the step by step instructions on how you do it on your end. Sounds good? All right, let's jump in. So I'm going to pretend I'm looking for a CPA. I'm going to get Scribe going. Actually, I'm going to go to LinkedIn first, and I'm going to start Scribe. All right. And now it's recording my browser, and it's going to capture the steps that I'm taking. So I'm going to start by just typing CPA in the general search in LinkedIn regular. I'm then going to click on people, and I'm going to click on my first degree connections. So essentially, I'm looking for all the CPAs in my first degree connection. Now it says 20, but I can immediately see that some of these people are not CPAs. That means that they have the letters CPA somewhere on their profile, but I want it to be in the title field. So I'm going to go to all filters, scroll down to title, and type in CPA in that field. Okay, so I know two people that have CPA in their title field. There may be others, right? Maybe their title is controller, right? And they happen to have CPA, but I'm just using this for the sake of example. So fine, I'm your hiring manager in this example, and you're my recruiter, and you want to know who are the CPAs in my network. You're simply going to copy the URL and send it to me. It's just that simple. So I'm going to copy it, paste it here, and I'm going to end the scribe recording. Okay. Now, Loom is still recording. Scribe is not. Okay. We got two apps working well together. Thank you, Scribe and Loom. So now you see the LinkedIn workflow that I just recorded, and I'm going to call it hiring manager referrals. Okay. That's the use case. So that'll be an easy way to remember this. And you can see that Scribe has really beautifully captured 13 steps in 47 seconds without us having to do a heavy lift. And what you are looking at is the step by step that Scribe has come up with. They're telling you where to go in the search field. You have a really cool orange circle there to draw your attention to it. It's telling you where to type enter, telling you that I go to people. It's exactly what we just did, right? But done beautifully. So you're going to click first, filter by first, show results. And if I wanted to correct something, it all looks accurate, but if I wanted to correct it, it's as simple as going in, and I'll just add the word click on all filters, right? You can go in and edit it, but look at these screenshots done for you. Like, can you imagine how long this would take you if you were screenshotting it, putting it together on a Google Doc, formatting it? OMG, right? And we've done this in less than a minute. So I'm just going to scroll down and make sure every step is useful. And I think I'm going to end it at show results. And I'm just going to delete this step and this last step as well. Okay, so we have 11 quick steps, and this is how you do it, right? So I'll hit done editing and I'll share it with you. I'll star it, so I'll make sure to share it. But This is not an 11-step process for your hiring manager, because all you need to do is copy and paste this link and just share it with them in an email and say, hey, paste this into your browser, look through the list of CPAs that come up, and let me know who you want me to reach out to. Send me their names or their LinkedIn URLs. It's that simple. So I want you to test this link on your end. These are my first degree connections who are CPAs. I want you to just copy and paste it right in your browser, see if it works for you. And then once you celebrate with glee, you can share this tip with someone else that needs to know. Thanks so much for watching. This is Maisha, Talent Genie, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye now.